Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question from fractions, decimals and percentages. As you can see, this is a multiple choice question with a single correct answer, wherein we are given a fraction 5 by 8 and we need to compare it with the other 5 fractions in the options and find the fraction which is closest in value to 5 by 8. Before proceeding with the solution, I would request you all to pause this video and go through the question yourself and try solving it. In case you couldn't, please do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before proceeding with the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 3, that is 7 by 11. So how did we arrive at this particular answer? Now, for questions wherein there are fractions with different denominators, the most convenient method to compare them is by converting them into their decimal forms and then comparing the decimal forms. So 5 by 8 can be represented as 0.625 in decimal form. Similarly, 2 by 3 can be represented as 0.666. Similarly, 3 by 4 can be represented as 0.750. Similarly, 7 by 11 can be represented as 0.636. Next, 19 by 23 can be represented as 0.826, while 23 by 30 can be represented as 0.766. Now, we see that the value of 5 by 8 is 0.625 and the value of 7 by 11 is 0.636, which is closest in value to 0.625, and hence we come to the conclusion that the fraction forms, that is 7 by 11, is closest in value to 5 by 8. This is how we arrive at option 3. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause the video at this instant and go through the typed solution. That's it for today. We'll be back soon with more videos. Keep studying hard. Thank you and all the best.